This is 1GR engine. We will set timing for cams only now, and then we will take a main timing setting. This is bank 1 and this is bank 2. First of all, we set top dead center on bank 1 like this. This is a mark, okay, and the second is here. We show to this, and you can check this. And the bank 2 is so simple. One is here and the second is to be here. Have two dots behind this. I am trying to show you, but two dots here on the cam pulley. We will show you then main timing. Please be with us. Now it's time to check main timing. Bank 1 mean 1 point here, okay. Bank 2 mean 2 point here, 2 point here, understand? And the crank 1 is here. This is markable. Now it's loose because I didn't pull it out still, okay. Now I'll turn it and it will be inshallah nice. This is timing of 1GR Land Cruiser 2.15 model.